Let's talk about Epicooler, but before we dive in, I want to be clear. This video is based on publicly available information and research. I did not personally purchase this product, and this is not sponsored content. Epicooler claims to be this miracle portable AC and heater that can cool or heat a whole 51 square meter room in a few seconds. A few seconds. With a plastic box that weighs less than your school bag. Be serious. Let's break this down scientifically, because somebody needs to rescue folks from marketing sorcery. This thing has no compressor, no refrigerant, and none of the hardware an actual air conditioner needs to remove heat from a room. Meaning? It's about as capable of cooling a big room as a mosquito flapping its wings really fast. The instant cooling claim? Yeah, instant disappointment. And what about the dual heating and cooling? More like fan mode and slightly warm fan mode. The Gadget basically pushes air around and prays you don't notice the physics aren't physicsing. Calling this thing an air conditioner is like calling a bicycle a private jet because both have seats. Now let's talk presentation. Epicooler comes wrapped in the usual limited time offer, 60% off, only 7 left, urgency traps. The kind of marketing that screams, buy now before you Google what this actually is. And the promo videos? Straight up cinematic lies. If it could chill a room the way they show, your local power company would already be bankrupt. Epicooler cools a room about as well as waving a cold spoon in the air. It's the perfect product if you want to pay premium prices for the cooling power of your breath. This cooling device doesn't just stretch the truth. It grabs it, bends it, folds it, and sends it to the gym. It's a seasonal hype gadget dressed up as futuristic tech, but underneath, it's just a glorified desk fan with confidence issues. So, should you buy it? Short answer, nope. There's no evidence anyone has successfully gotten it to cool a full room as advertised. If you want more brutally honest, wallet-saving roasts, smash that like button and subscribe, because I'm not letting you get scammed this summer.